Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Ethanol production is key for engine fuel, so let's find the best way to maximize yeast fermentation using this graph. We will solve this fast. Looking at figure 1, we see that ethanol production peaks clearly at 30 degrees Celsius. This temperature is our optimal baseline because it shows the highest yield in the initial data. To find the best sugar amount, we must keep that 30-degree temperature constant while testing different sugar concentrations. Using the same sugar source ensures our results stay consistent and accurate. This controlled approach ensures that any changes in ethanol are strictly due to sugar levels. That makes option A our final winner for this experiment. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given data to find the peak.